This week at work, I want to share an idea with you. A couple of years ago, I was involved in a fantastic piece of research. We had the opportunity over 3 years to go and explore, investigate, do a deep dive, having proper solid engagements with around 10,000 businesses. It occurred over a 3-year period of time, all established mid-tier companies. And what fascinated me is one of the most vital stats that came out. They gave a true insight into what makes the life and times of a business owner so arduous, is that around 95.4% of the teams that we managed to talk to had no idea what the purpose of the business was. And yet here's the thing, without a team, you do not have a business. But with a team that doesn't understand beyond the function of their work, why you do what you do, and what the intent behind the business is, it makes delegation that sticks inordinately difficult. It is vital that you work with your teams effectively, that you communicate with your teams effectively. And beyond the function of work itself, the purpose behind why your business exists and where you intend to go in the next 3 to 5 years should be communicated across the board. You need to communicate it not in terms of financial metrics and numbers, but rather as to why the business exists. What value does it bring to its clients and customers, and importantly, to society at large. People want to be part of a bigger thing, a bigger vision that they can connect to, identify with, and feel part of. Even more importantly, they want to bring their voice into that vision. Environments like this behind me are a fantastic opportunity for any organization through facilitated team engagements and collaborations and exercises, and call it what you will, to get a team talking, to get a team aligned, and most importantly, to conclude with the purpose behind the business that is team-driven, team-led, and highly team-motivated. Food for thought to make your ride as a business owner substantially easier. Have an entrepreneurial day.